In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete junk files in Steam. So the first thing I'm doing here is opening Steam and waiting for everything to fully load. Once I'm signed in and on the main screen, I'm heading up to the top left corner where the Steam icon is located. I'm clicking that now because this menu gives access to the main settings area where cache and storage options can be managed. From the drop-down menu, I'm choosing Settings. This opens the Steam settings window, and I'm just giving it a moment to fully load so all categories appear correctly. Once everything is visible, I'm looking over to the left-hand menu and selecting Downloads. Now that I'm inside the Downloads section, I'm scanning the page for the option labeled Clear Cache. This is the tool Steam uses to remove temporary files and old cached data that can build up over time. I'm clicking Clear Cache now to start the cleanup process. At this point, Steam asks for confirmation before clearing anything. I'm reviewing the prompt quickly, then I'm clicking Confirm to proceed. Once I do that, Steam begins removing the stored cache files automatically in the background. I'm just waiting a moment while the process completes. Depending on the system, it usually only takes a short time. Once it's done, Steam signs me out or requests that I log in again so the refreshed cache can load properly. Now I'm entering my account details and signing back in. This final step reloads Steam with the cleared cache and refreshed temporary files, helping the client run cleaner. I'm also taking a quick second to review everything while it's fresh. I opened Steam, clicked the Steam icon at the top left corner, selected Settings, opened Downloads from the left hand menu, clicked Clear Cache, confirmed the prompt, and then logged back into my account. And that's really all there is to it. Once the cache is cleared and you sign back in, Steam has removed those junk files and temporary stored data. You can repeat this process anytime Steam feels slow or you just want to clean things up.